Had a few questions recently about how I draw in Procreate. So here are the settings. What I use is just the default studio pen in the inking section. This is a 4000 by 4000 pixel file, which is not too high, not too low, and great resolution for t-shirt graphics. And essentially I draw in layers. So sort of the underdrawing sketch for this design was right here. And then I drew in the skeleton hand. Then I drew in the grip and kind of refined that until it got to here. Then drew in a little shading and a hand. Everything's in layers just so that when people get these templates, if they just want to use the grip by itself, or if they want to use the hand by itself, they can do that. It's easier to recolor, etc. So when that's all done, I just export this image as a layered PSD file, then open that up in Adobe Illustrator and vectorize each individual layer, just black and white. Then I'll add color. I've got a lot more tutorials on that on thevectorlab.com and raydombrowski.com, and YouTube, just look up the Vector Lab. Thanks for watching.